Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May, guys. So how are you everyone? I hope you are all doing great. Yes, in today's video we are going to do house chores all day long, guys. Yes, I hope this video gives you tons of motivation. This video, everyone, was recorded first week of September. Hello guys, good morning. It's been a while that I didn't upload cleaning videos and I miss making them, guys. And hopefully guys, this video that I am making, yes, gives you motivation to clean, tidy, or do whatever you really need to do, guys. Yes. So I will show you the before and after of our bedroom. Yes. So guys, I started to change the bedsheet, but then I realized that I didn't film any videos of cleaning motivation, so I stopped and then grabbed the camera, and I think it's the best time to film it, guys. So this is the before. Look at that. Yes, this is the before. Sana mga mamshis, mamotivate ko kayo sa aking mga ginagawa na paglilinis sa paglilinis ng aming bahay. I know guys, this video is not to teach you how to clean your houses, but yes, lahat tayo may kanya-kanya tayo kung paano tayo maglinis sa ating mga bahay-bahay. So, ang pakay ko lang guys is to motivate you, yes, and to tell you that you are not alone. We are so many mommies around the world, guys, doing this. Yes, and don't be shy what you are doing. For example, if you don't work, don't be shy if you are not working. Yes, and yun nga, pagtatrabaho sa bahay is a kind of work also na hindi matumbasan ng kahit anumang pera, because we are serving our own family. Yes guys, so yeah, let's start cleaning. Yes mga mamshis, mga best, yes, maglinis tayo, tulungan nyo ako, yeah. And guys, I want to show you one thing. Yes, we are fan of Cobra Kai. So my husband bought this Cobra Kai t-shirt for him. Yes, for him. And this is for me. Yes. And there's also one for Haley, but she used it the other day. I will insert the clip. Yes, her photo wearing the Cobra Kai t-shirt. And we also have, Haley and me, we also have this Cobra Kai face mask. Yes, I haven't washed yet, So I'm going to wash it first and then wear it. Yes. And yeah, and Hailey, she will show it to you now. Yes.
Of I love it.
Yan. But we have to wash it first.
I love it.
Cobra Kai.
Cobra
Yes, so I'm going to wash this first, guys, and then keep. So we are Cobra Kai family fan. We are Cobra Kai fan. Yeah, sad to say that they have no any size for babies. Yes, so my husband couldn't buy it. Yeah, but he bought 2 t-shirts for her and he's bringing tomorrow afternoon. Yes. Okay guys, so let's have a break guys sa ating paglilinis because I am going to cook food for lunch guys. Yeah, it's getting late here in Spain. So today's menu guys, I'm going to cook arroz caldo guys. Yes. So, 3 lang kami dito sa bahay because my husband is not here. But tomorrow, he's coming back home. So, we're all so extremely happy that he's coming back home after some days away from us. Yeah. Hello guys, so I have this laundry basket full of dirty clothes guys. And now it's time to go and wash these. Yeah, so these are dark ones guys. Yeah. So guys, I try to wash once a day, and because I am still dry them under the sun guys, or air dry, yes. So yun guys, once a day lang ako naglalaba because yun nga, wala akong mapagsampayan kasi maliit lang yung sampayan ko. So mainit pa kasi dito guys. It's not that so very hot, but yeah, the whole day pwede pang madry ang, oh my god, I'm sweating. So the whole day guys, pwede pang madry. Not the whole day, but maybe half day, ganun, madry na ang mga damit. So hindi ko pa ginagamit ang dryer namin. in winter, or very soon, not in winter, but maybe late October, November, ganun guys. Yeah, so I start to use our dryer. Yes, so guys, for the meantime, let's go and wash these clothes. Yeah, so I'm going to put these dirty clothes, guys, while I am cooking. Yes, so guys, wala akong sinasayang na oras at panahon, guys, especially sa mga gawaing bahay, as long as nakaya ko, so I go ahead. Guapo, guapo, guapo. So this is our very active dog, guys. Yes, can you see? Very, very active dog. Yes, and he is licking my arm. Maybe it's delicious. Guys, luto na ang aking arroz caldo. So, let's eat. Hello guys. So, ihang na natin ang ating mga damit. Tapos na guys. So, washing machine, ihang na lang natin. Hello guys. So, ito yung mga nilabhan ko kahapon. Na-dry na sila. So, I'm going to take them now. Yes. And then guys, after taking those out, I have to hang also guys yung labada natin for today. And now guys, magsampay tayo.